I am Hunter, and this is my bike check. We got black Odyssey bar ends, red Odyssey Aaron Ross signature grips, chrome Someday Triumph bars, a Tree Trek letter Q brake lever, MX2 brake cable, MX3 forks on an MX3 hub. Sorry, my light just went out. There you go. The MX3 hub laced to an MX3 rim on it with a Kenda contact. Then we got a Sapient Kappa frame, which is actually I like it for cheap. I got it for like 200 bucks. It's actually nice. Got a DK rail seat, which sucks. I got a Black Label bottom bracket in black, white Black Label cranks, and Animal Stephen Hamilton pedals in red, which are absolutely terrible. I hate them. They suck. I'd rather die than ride with these anymore, but they're all I've got right now. Crap, got my bar stuck on the house. Got same setup on the other side. I got a Black Label 25-2 sprocket on a KMC heavy duty chain in black and yellow. And then you come back here, I just got a U-brake, which is an MX4, or MX1, sorry. Yeah, I got a couple monster stickers. Got a Kenda contact on an MX3 rim, on an MX laced to an MX3 hub. They're 3/8 axles. They're a bit lighter, but they're not as like heavy duty as a 14 mil. But you know, got what you got. Yeah, the hub's actually really nice for stock. I'll give you a hub sound. I'm gonna pick up my bike here. This is what the hub sounds like. It came all stock. Yeah, that's my bike. Hope you enjoyed my bike check. Yeah.